I've been watching Hazir's videos lately. There's something about the calm atmosphere, and especially those beautiful white tulips in his Airbnb kitchen, that just stuck with me. I knew I had to try something similar at home. So I ordered 10 silicone white tulips from Shane, along with a pretty little glass vase, and created my very first tulip arrangement. It instantly brightened up my kitchen, but something still felt off. His tulips looked fuller, more complete, and my vase was a bit short, and the leaf stems were sticking out at the bottom. I took it as a sign to upgrade. I ordered a taller vase to hide the stems better. And of course, I couldn't resist getting 10 more tulips to fill things out. I might experiment later with a wider vase to give it more spread, but for now, this is my little floral moment. And wow, what a difference! I'm so happy with it. It's simple, elegant, and adds just the right touch of calm to my kitchen. Let me know in the comments what you think, and stick around for more inspiration, journaling, and mindful budgeting tips. See you soon!